welcome back to yet another YouTube video. And today we are talking about Activision Blizzard and just my general thoughts on it. So it says, a video game giant Activision Blizzard, INC maker of games including World of Warcraft and Diablo, fosters a frat boy culture in which female employees are subjected to constant sexual harassment. And then it continues with unequal pay, retaliation, according to a lawsuit filed by California Department of Fair Employment and Housing. And then a 2-year investigation by the state of agency found the company discriminated against female employees in terms of condition, including compensation, assignment, promotion, and termination. Termination, not determination. Company leadership constantly failed to take steps to prevent discrimination, harassment, and retaliation, the agency said. According to the complaint filed Tuesday in Los Angeles, female employees make up around 20% of the Activision workforce and are subjected to persuasive frat boy work culture, including cube crawls in which employees drink amounts of alcohol through various cubicles in the office and often engage in inappropriate behavior towards female employees. Wow. That is just overall really messed up. And you know, this article broke out on Twitter like July 21st, so I'm kind of a little late in the ball game with this video, guys, but you know, I was also live streaming the last couple days, but this is something I've been wanting to talk about for the last couple days now. But if you work at Blizzard, I think it's ridiculous that, like, as a female, you have to go through sexual harassment. Like, I don't think any person should have to go through this or be subjugated to this. Like, it's just, it's fucked up, man. Like, this whole thing on the whole Blizzard thing going around is just, and then of course making jokes about, no, I'm not gonna say it in this video because don't want to be, you know, ever be demonetized if I do reach YouTube partner. But anyways, this whole thing, like, at one point I wanted to try the Warcraft games. Like, I wanted to play them, but once this article hit the fan, it makes me not want to play any Blizzard or Activision games anymore. Like, I mean, I played Call of Duty back in my time. Like, even if it wasn't like a full-time thing, you know what I mean? Like, I still played it. But had I known all, like, about all this crap that came out about Activision Blizzard and the whole 9 yards, like, and then on top of it, a female employee lost her life. Like, she took her own life over them releasing photos of her. Like, people are like passing around like it was some kind of joke. This kind of bullshit in any kind of industry is not acceptable. You know, like, it's not okay. And then this, you know, I feel like a workplace should be safe for everybody, no matter who they are. It shouldn't be discriminated against. I feel strongly against Activision Blizzard, and shame on you for, you know, all the things you just let happen at your workplace. This was an emotional topic for me, guys, and, you know, because nobody should have to go through this. And what they did, the crap that they pulled, I'm never supporting them again. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit the notification bell as well as that subscribe button. That way you get more uploads of my videos. And I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. And those were just my thoughts on the whole Activision Blizzard thing.